Alright, whatever, bye.
You don't want to get in that traffic, huh?
Huh?
You don't want to drive in that traffic, huh?
Nope.
Come on, man. Go on, take me out there, man.
Not laughing off, man.
You want to put the stuff in the trunk?
So where that place gonna be at? It's gonna be
what?
For the guns, it's gonna be in Santa Springs?
No, it's going to be Atlanta on Bankhead, so once you get out.
Okay, I gotta go through y'all process and they process.
I don't have any charges on you except for the window tint.
Huh?
I don't have any charges on you except for the window tint. So once you go to jail, they'll probably ask you if you want to pay that or if you want to, or they'll give you a court date for that, and then you'll just wait for Sandy Springs to come get you. I was on the phone trying to see if a Sandy Springs officer can meet with me, so he can take you straight to their jail instead of you having to wait for them to come pick you up from our jail. But
going back that way, it's not that bad.
Mr. Kathy, what's a good phone number for you?
901.